YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing some pickups video. I know I've been gone, but give me a minute to explain. Also, we're gonna talk about that in the video, but today I'm doing pickups. I got one of my shoes that I want, one of my dream shoes that I want, and another piece that I picked up today. So the first piece I picked up was this long awaited, I think I told y'all like a couple videos ago, these boots that I've been wanting, and here they are. Give me one moment, give me a moment, hold on, let me fix this. Boom, perfect. Okay, we're back. Give me one moment. Actually, and let's scoop this up. Alright, let's see. Oh. Lo and behold, you know what I'm talking about? Know what I'm talking about? Alright, so these are the long awaited Mickey Mouse boots that I've been holding off. And also I caught these like a couple months ago while I was on vacay with my girlfriend. So yeah, I've been had these, but hey, I'm not gonna lie, very worth it. I had, if you don't know, my fall winter drop last year, I've been dropped that drop. So it's some yellow sweatpants I did, and they go for like baggy stuff, goes so well with these boots. I'm not even gonna lie, I love them. And I was like, damn, I wanted the black pair, but I was like, cool, it's cool, I'm gonna just mess around and get the white pair. So I got the white pair, and they cool, I like them, but it's just, y'all already know black is my color, but the white is cool because this is the only size they really had for real. And they didn't have, like, they had a bigger size. They only had a 13 for the black pair. So I was like, nah, I don't want them. So I just messed around and got the white pair. So this is the first pickup I got, and when getting these, I was like, oh bro, I'm finna put so many fits together. I'm not even done, mind you. I still didn't get my dream boot I want, and those are the Rick Owens boots, Rick Owens Doc Martin boots, and it's cool, cause I'm telling you, them sites sold out, but I swear to you, I'm getting them boots. I swear to y'all, I'm getting them boots. Man, it's the last thing I do. I went on the Rick Owens sites, I went on the Doc Martin, and they still sold out. But these was like overpriced. I swear to God. I got a message for the resellers. My message to you, why do y'all sell so high, bro? Especially in size 12. Y'all don't even try to make it no way or make it no better for nobody. Y'all just want to make the price higher. God, please, bro. No BS. I was like, if y'all want some, I'm not even going to tell y'all that, because I ain't giving no sauce away. This year, I ain't giving no, I'm gatekeeping. I'm sorry. I'm gatekeeping. Cause I swear so many people ruin so much stuff. I'm gonna keep it a buck for real. Cause bro, so much, I swear to God. I saw Playboy Cardi with his Pelly jacket, and y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Man, the jacket went up in inflation. It just, man, y'all get stuff cause other people get it. And let me calm down, cause y'all done got me on a rant. And I'm excited to see y'all and talk to y'all too. But at the same time, no, real spill. Y'all be messing up the fashion game for real, bro. Y'all mess up the shoe shit. Y'all be messing up the clothes. Pick what y'all like and wear it, bro. Stop wearing it because Playboy Cardi on another man wearing it, bro. Y'all be messing up the, you know what I'm saying? I got my aesthetic, what I like. Y'all, man, no. But off that. Next pickup we got is a long awaited, where is it? Hold up, give me one moment. I got it! Oh, and this is by a brand that I really love. Shout out to the, what it say? Mason Margiela on me. Y'all already know I had the cop in this season. Tutu, the shine shirt. This is my first. Psych, no, because I got a YSL button up, so no. This is my first Mason Margiela piece. I was gonna say designer piece, but I don't know why I would say designer piece when I didn't cop YS. I got like YSL. I got the Saint Laurent boots and Saint Laurent button up. So no, that's not my first designer piece. But this is my first Margiela piece, and I'm so happy because I thought my very first Margiela piece would be the tabbies, but I'm like, nah, I'll make it something else. So why not make it a shirt? I'll start off with the shirt, and then I'm gonna get to going into the tabbies. But oh yeah, the tabbies are my dream shoe. When I reach my goal, I swear to you, that I'm buying them tabbies, bro. Like, them is automatically my dream shoe. So, but I definitely will not gonna lie, this is tough. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for the summer and putting a fit together. I would say this is definitely a steal. I copped off Grail. No, don't go looking on Grail. But I copped this off of Grail. Also, shout out to my homie who sent this to me. This is a steal. I'm not gonna lie, Grail definitely be having steals on there. You just have to look. Once you look, I promise you get anything you want. But it's just shout out to my homie. He definitely got me a lick for real. I'm not gonna lie. Grail is the wave. I'm not gonna tell y'all the other one, but Grail is definitely the wave. But honestly, I would like to say, honestly, these two pickups are probably one of my like favorite pickups for real, because y'all know I'm a big fan of Raph and Mason. So I definitely was so geeked when I got this piece for real. So it's like having this was just like, bro, I like fanboyed out so bad. I was like, bro, I was thinking my homie like, bro, really? I was like, bro, that's a steal. I went to go buy that because I was like, bro, why would I let one of y'all cop it when I could get it? Not being like that, joking, but for real though, because I ain't gonna lie, I have saved many pieces, bro, many pieces. I come back to my Grail card, somebody bought it. So I ain't gonna lie, I had to buy it before y'all back, because if I didn't, y'all be wearing this shit and I ain't gonna have no steal. I'm gonna have to rock some $200 shirt when I could have got this for the price I got it at. I ain't gonna let y'all know the price. I ain't gonna let y'all know the price, cause no. Just know it was very affordable and a steal. But nah, I feel like this pickup was definitely a well-deserved pickup, and I got many more on the way. For sure, definitely, y'all already know. Alright, I'm back. My camera just died. So like I said, I wanted to cop those pieces and get those pickup before anybody could take it, because if not, it would have not been there. But I'm gonna end that off with the pickups and on to where I've been. Okay, so where I've been working on the clothing brand and also putting in time into the business aspect of running a clothing brand too, because and also I've been learning about drop shipping as well, because you know I want to have more than one income. And you know, when I have my businesses, it's just fashion is my main income, is going to be, you know, like fashion content creating. But also I want to get into like drop shipping, and I also want to get into other things as well, like to establish my business and grow my stuff out there. It just like that's what I've been doing. So I know I haven't been uploading. Yes, I'm gonna get better at it. I'm sorry guys, it's just I've been also working on the last drop too. So this drop, thank God, I've been working on it and I'm basically done with this drop. I've been working on the fall winter, but summer collection is done. I will be showing samples next video, so be tuned for that, and also be looking out for that, because I want to show y'all these samples. I have absolutely snapped on these samples, and what is a better way to come back to YouTube and show y'all what I've been working on? It's honestly the best. And when I show y'all these, I want y'all to see my work, why I haven't been uploading and why I've been so focused on getting out there, and you know. And I also been building up an audience for myself as well, because I don't want to go into the rest of this year not building an audience up. I want to build an audience up. You know, I got my people that I got from the beginning, but I also want to grow off, you know, grow off of that and make more of an audience. I want y'all all to know me. It's just like, y'all gonna get to know me this shit. It's like I took my breaks just because I was working on the brand, but I'm back. I'm not leaving. You know, this summer has been a good one. Yet no fashion shows have came up yet either. I haven't seen any, but if any come up, you know, I'm gonna let you guys know I am recording. I will be recording the fashion show, so just look out for that. I will have a video this summer for the fashion show. I also will have a video for my photo shoot this drop, so do be in tune for that. I want you guys to like see my whole lifestyle, honestly, because like I'm so happy and I'm so like teed up that, man, I can't wait for y'all to see this drop, cause it's like hard work and passion I've been it's hard work and passion I've been putting into this. Sorry for that mess up. I don't even know what's going on, but yeah, it's like I don't want y'all to not see me succeed, so I'm finna tee up. But that's gonna wrap up this video. I know, like I said, I've been gone, but I promise y'all I'm back, and I'm back for sure. Y'all getting another video right after this, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.